I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you along on a journey from the charming port of Finicas on the island of Syros to the stunning island of Paros. We'll navigate through the Aegean blue water, anchor in serene bays, and explore the towns of Parikia and Naoussa. So hoist the sails and let's set off. Our arrival into Paros. We just let a ferry go by and got out of his way and are trying to turn in there as well. Now we got two more ferries coming and they're huge, so we need to go kind of quick. Play Frogger a little bit. The Cyclades Islands are renowned for their breathtaking beauty, and Paros is no exception. Nestled in the heart of this famous island chain, Paros combines everything you would want from a Greek island. Charming whitewashed villages, golden beaches, ancient ruins, and the kind of turquoise water that's straight out of a postcard. Our first stop on Paros was Parikia, the island's capital and largest town. Because the town harbor was really busy with boats and ferries, creating quite a bit of swell, we opted for a peaceful anchorage just about 15 minutes away by dinghy. It was a great decision. The water was much calmer, the surroundings were much more quiet, and we had the perfect spot to unwind after a day of sailing. Parikia itself is a charming mix of old and new. As you wander its narrow stone streets, you'll find boutiques, cozy cafes, and the iconic whitewashed buildings accented with bright pink bougainvillea. And you don't want to miss the beautiful church, Panaya Ekaton. I probably super mispronounced that, but anyway. It's an incredible Byzantine church that dates back to the 4th century AD. This town is the perfect blend of history and modern island vibes. Let's see. Navally. Our first official YouTube channel swag, or what is it called?
Nice.
Yeah, that's really cool. I love it.
Our emblem on the front.
Oh my god.
Nice.
I miss that sexy smile, looking for to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time.
Goodbye, Paros, for now, at least, because we'll hopefully be back. Man, all these clusters of ferries, there's so much traffic in this little area. Boats coming from every direction. There's 1, 2, 3 ferries in front of us. After a few peaceful nights, we hoisted anchor and headed north to Naoussa. This picturesque town is famous for its harbor lined with restaurants and its energetic nightlife.
I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby.
But like Parikia, the harbor here is lively to the point of being a little bit too rolly for our liking. So we opted to drop anchor just north of Naoussa in a spot protected by a narrow landmass from the northerly winds. This anchorage offered us a much more comfortable stay, even if it meant a longer 20-minute dinghy ride into town. It's a bit of a trek, but with the incredible views along the way, we really weren't complaining. We have arrived to Naoussa, which is on the same island as we were this morning, but just all the way north. We've got northerly winds as per usual, but they're very, very light, so we should be fine here. That is a beauty. Wow.
Mr. Sexy Smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I lose control. Love you every night, I'm checking the time.
They went to check the rocks to see where to tie on, and now they just got the lines from the guy at the stern. And they're gonna take the lines to shore and tie off to a rock without getting them all fouled in the propeller like I did. In my defense, it was a lot windier and choppier when that happened to me. No monsters?
Not that I see. Just dive in. You want the yellow noodle, or do you want that thing that I was on the other day? The float thing, the board.
The boogie board?
Yeah.
I don't know. You're not with me.
Go. Is it cold? You want the boogie board? I'll give it for you. Babe, you're not. There's a bunch of fish in there with you. You want the noodle?
No. Your breath. Why are you on top of me? Naoussa is a feast for the senses. Whether you're strolling past the traditional fishing boats in the harbor, exploring its lively streets, or enjoying fresh seafood at a waterside taverna, this town has a charm that's hard to resist. Instagram door. And those girls have literally been taking pictures in front of that door for the last 30 minutes. They're gonna put her right through the waves. As much as we loved exploring Paros, Mother Nature had other plans for us. A strong Meltemi was on the way. For those unfamiliar, the Meltemi is a seasoned wind in the Aegean that can pack a real big punch, making sailing and anchoring a bit of an adventure. Some say it's nature's way of keeping sailors humble. To prepare, we sailed to the south of Paros, seeking refuge from the predicted winds. Unfortunately, our perfect plan turned into a comedy of errors. The anchorage was packed with boats, and the swell was rolling right into the bay, so panic mode was activated. Desperate for a better spot, I turned to Facebook's sailing groups and found a community of lifesavers. One helpful sailor pointed us towards a peaceful anchorage near a beach in Antiparos, just south of the ferry terminal. We quickly made our way there and breathed a sigh of relief when we dropped anchor in much calmer waters. And this is where we will leave you today. Next time, join us as we experience our first Meltemi at anchor in the beautiful town of Antiparos. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and hit the like button. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.
How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try to resist, but you're pulling me closer. Oh, I gotta stay away, but you won't let me.